It's May 22nd, 2022. Let's start the update with the rosemary. Here you can see a lot of flowers have opened. Here's some more flowers. And this one you can see it's already forming some fruit. Over here is the asparagus. You can see this one is getting really tall. And here's the potato. Looks like it's growing rapidly. Here's the mulberry. Most of the growth are from the bottom of the trunk, and some growth from the top. Here's the grape. Here you can see some new growth. And if you look closely right here, I believe this is the flowers. Here's the green onion. Looks like it's gonna flower again. Saffron still dying back. Blueberry is looking great. Lots of flowers. Over here's the rhubarb. Lots of new leaves. Here's some more new leaves forming. And here's the wildflower pot that I planted. This one is definitely going to be lacy phacelia. And here you can see some California poppy. This one with the white spots, I'm not sure what it is yet. Here's another one with white spots on the leaf, and also a purple sprouts. Not sure what those are yet. Lavender flowers are coming up nicely. Still at the early stage. The rosemary is still looking fine, not really growing still. Here's the peony. The flowers are gonna open really soon. You can already see the petals from the outside. And here's the other flower. Here's the bulb plants. All of them are slowly dying back. Here's the broccolini. You can see a lot of flowers forming. More flowers from the bottom of the plant. The peas are still growing. You can see it's climbing onto the trellis. And some flowers are forming already. Here's the, I think this is the Cuban pepper. Some flowers forming, you can see. I transplanted some of the beet. Here's the, this is the shishito pepper. You can see this flower is still forming. Lots of them actually. This is the jalapeño. I can also see some flowers forming. Here's the tomato. Some flowers have already opened. And here's the pineapple. Looks like most of the flowers have faded. Here's the hoya. You can see some new flowers forming at this node. And over here's the seedlings of beets and carrots. Here are some new plants. These are the nasturtium, edible flowers, edible leaves, good for salad. Here's some more that I split one pot into these two. Here's the mint, looking a little droopy, need to water the plants. Here are the thyme, and these are the basils. 3 kinds of basils, all still looking pretty good. And over here is the hydrangea. Flowers are still forming. Lots of flowers, hopefully. This is the shooting star variety. Kind of seeing some flowers forming as well. Over here is the lily of the valley. I'm going to show you the flowers. Here you can see a cluster. Looks like it's infested with aphids. This is the pink variety. And I'm not really seeing any other lily of the valley flowers.